English in 5 minutes. Episode 2, In the Alley.
Wow, the fish market is so interesting.
Dog, run quickly. There's an enemy.
What? Where?
Go to the alley.
Oh, Cat, long time no see. Today, I finally have the chance to talk to you.
Mike, the leader of the fish market robbery gang. What do you want from me?
Do you remember you defeated my brother last time? Today, I am here to avenge him.
You think you can do anything to me, little mouse?
Don't underestimate me, Cat. I have prepared thoroughly for this day. You will pay for what you did.
You've cornered me in this alley, but don't forget, I am still the predator.
We'll see who is the predator and who is the prey today. Get ready, Cat.
Stop.
Who's that?
Dog, step aside, you'll get hurt.
I am the guard dog. We can resolve this issue by talking calmly.
Oh, look at the rich folks talking. Cat hurt my brother. I can't let this go.
Dog, you're too naive.
Step aside, or I guarantee neither of you will leave this alley.
Fighting is fine, but not today, Mike. At least not while I'm here.
Who's that, Cat?
Ethan, the captain of the Wild Cat team.
What's up, Cat? Need a hand?
Thanks for the support.
We'll talk another day. I won't let this go easily.
Phew, no fight. But why did you hurt his brother, Cat?
Haha, your rich friend here, Cat.
This is survival, dog. Mice need to eat just like us.
That's right. Since ancient times, animals have had to fight to survive. Mike has his own reasons, and so does Cat. If we have to fight, then we will fight. If we can avoid it, we should.
Anyway, thanks for the help, Ethan.
Always ready, my friend. Just go home, night is coming.